I would love to be like Bond when I am 50, though some say physically I am already 50. Anyway, Shah Rukh Khan got one step closer to that number today. Happy birthday, Shah Rukh Khan. May you be the superstar you are, jab tak hai jaan. Here's a look at what happened at Mannat today.
Okay, thank you very much. First of all, everyone, all the channels, all the photographers, all the journalists, everyone that I'm reaching through all of you, thank you very much. Next year, मैं event management company के साथ अच्छे एक function करूँगा. I know we'll do it properly in a hotel room where we can hear each other. But thank you very much for being so kind as every year. And like I was saying, हर साल ऐसा एक प्रथा सी बन गई है. जब मैं 40 का हूँ, मुझे लगा okay 40 is a turning point, तो इसलिए आप लोग cover कर रहे हैं. लेकिन the way you celebrate my birthday, this is the celebration I have. There is nothing else. जब मैं उठा भी आज, I got up late because I thought on my birthday at least I should sleep a little. And all I'll do is spend my birthday with my children and family. The first one to wish me as I thought कि होगा मेरी बेटी सुहाना. वो कहीं travel कर रही थी, तो उसकी टीचर ने उसे बोला था सो जाओ, लेकिन वो चुपचाप से जाग कर उसने फ़ोन करके मुझे विश कर दिया. When I wake up, मेरा बेटा भी आके मुझे बोला कि I woke up because of the drums outside. You know, बाहर लोग ढोल बजा रहे थे. You know, I'm just an actor who does his job, gets paid for it, to be honest. Beyond that, to be loved like this, क्योंकि मैं किसी पर एहसान नहीं कर रहा हूँ एक्टिंग करके, मेरा काम है, मेरी नौकरी है. तो उस नौकरी के लिए इतना सराहाया जाऊँ beyond the call of duty, I think is very touching. जब भी मौका मिलता है, जैसे आज मिला है, तो मैं I just go and wave to everyone and pray from my heart कि जितनी खुशी और ओहदा प्यार का लोग मुझे देते हैं मेरे जन्मदिन पे, जैसे मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, आप लोग रेडियो वाले, सब जर्नलिस्ट, मतलब इतना इम्पोर्टेंट जो बना दिया है इसको, तो बहुत 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 शुक्रिया. You know, my mind has always been faster than my body. That's why I get hurt and tired and everything. It works much faster than the body. जब मैंने फिल्में शुरू की थी, 2-3 एक्टर्स मुझे बहुत अच्छे, कई के साथ मुझे मौका मिल गया, अमित जी वगैरह के साथ काम करने का, श्रीदेवी जी के साथ, because these were the actors we used to see when I was in college. But I always wanted to work with Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. मेरी एक दिल्ली तमन्ना थी, मुझे संजीव कुमार साहब बहुत अच्छे एक्टर लगते थे. But I think before I came, he passed away. And Balraj Sahni साहब, you know, amongst and Madhubala ji and Saira Banu ji, actually, she was my favorite, all-time favorite. And I hope I get a chance. Dilip saab, but Dilip saab, at least I keep meeting him. So there's a fulfillment that I've, you know, not worked with him, but I've spent time with him. सारी महिलाओं को करवा चौथ मुबारक हो.
सर, जिन्होंने आपके लिए व्रत रखा है.
Then I don't want to listen. I don't want to get into this place. How family does, people do. I think it's very personal, so I'll keep it like that. मैं तो छन्नी में से चांद को देखकर किसी लड़की की तमन्ना नहीं करूँगा. I don't. Only girls keep it for men, na? Yeah. So I wish all the women and all their husbands and boyfriends and you know, all the men in the world longevity of life and goodness and happiness. And जिन लोगों ने करवा चौथ रखा है और जिन्होंने नहीं भी रखा है, उन सब के जो भी दोस्त हैं, खाविन हैं, लड़के हैं, you know, all of them. I just wish them all the best and happy Karwa Chauth.
What is your resolution to make friend with any star who is your enemy?
वो तुम्हारा रे, तुम करो दोस्ती होती है.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.